Okay, Brian, this is what I see. So I go here to School Manager Login, click on, and then I'm going to put in B Sargent and your password here and hit Sign In. Okay, so I come to this page and I see the selected videos. If I click on one, like I click on the picture, here's the video. I don't have sound up right now, so that's why you can't hear it. If I would go to search, let's say I wanted to do just white blue, and I wanted to look at just the mount, I could apply that search. And let's say, oh, I want to look at basic arm lock. And there's the basic arm lock. So that's how I'm doing it. Is that the same way you're doing it? Are you logging in with that school log on? Because they may have changed the protocol for your account, since I know you're a student, but you're also an affiliate owner, so that may have changed. Anyway, let's just get to the bottom of it, but I wanted you to see what I see because I thought that that might be helpful in us figuring out what's going on.